It's a Monday kind of feeling on a Tuesday afternoon. I can hear Wednesday calling, but then Thursday comes too soon. And by Friday I'm ready for a Saturday affair. 'Cause on Sunday I'll be happy, the afternoon is here.
They say love is free, but it's more than you can see. It's a song, it's a melody, it's the beat of you and me. It takes more than words to know. It takes more than this to show. It takes all your will when you try to wear a smile. They say you are the sky, just say you are. It takes more than words to know. It takes more than this to all these little things are enough. All these little things are
And they tell you, get your head down. I will tell you, keep your head to your questions.
Let your words come in defenses, throwing each punch. And I will hold you closer. I will hold you close. If your head should lie, or you need a guide, I will reply like the morning when confetti rains, or your heart breaks. I will stay like the morning. Hold you closer. I will hold you close. My little dog is my constant companion. She skips and jumps when I come home. My little dog is an angel sent from heaven. She comes running down the mountain next to me. My little dog is my constant companion. She skips and jumps when I come home. My little dog is an angel sent from heaven. She comes running down the mountain. She comes swimming in the ocean next to me. My little dog is my constant companion. She skips and jumps when I come home. My little dog is an angel sent from heaven. She comes running down the mountain. She comes swimming in the ocean. She likes playing in the snow next to me. My little dog is my constant companion. She skips and jumps when I come home. My little dog is an angel sent from heaven. She comes running down the mountain. She comes swimming in the ocean. She likes playing in the snow. And she likes hiking through the woods next to me. My little dog is my constant companion. She skips and jumps when I come home. My little dog is an angel sent from heaven. She comes running down the mountain. She comes swimming in the ocean. She likes playing in the snow. And she likes hiking through the woods. So she's sleeping